come before you with a heart that is tired. I come before you with burdens that feel too heavy to carry alone. I come before you with questions I cannot answer. I come before you with tears that only you have seen. Father, you know my beginning, and you know my end. You know every silent battle, you know every hidden pain. You know every prayer I have whispered in the night. Today I ask you, oh Lord, intervene in my case. Step into the situation that has troubled my heart. Step into the places where I feel weak. Step into the places where I feel uncertain. Let your mercy speak for me. Let your favor speak for me. Let your power make a way where there seems to be no way. I have carried this burden for so long. I have tried to stay strong. I have tried to keep smiling. I have tried to keep believing. But there are moments when my heart feels weary. There are moments when my faith feels stretched. There are moments when I wonder how much longer I can wait. Yet I know that you are still God. I know that you are still faithful. I know that you are still working behind the scenes. Even when I cannot see the answer, even when I cannot see the breakthrough, even when I cannot understand the delay, I choose to trust you. I choose to believe that your timing is perfect. I choose to believe that your plans for me are good. I choose to believe that you are able to do what no man can do. Lord, do not let my tears be wasted. Do not let my waiting be in vain. Turn this season of pain into a testimony of your goodness. Oh Lord, intervene in my case. Stretch forth your hand and make a way for me. Where doors have been closed, open them by your mercy. Where hope has been delayed, restore it by your power. Where my heart has been burdened, give me peace. Where my soul has been weary, give me strength. Oh Lord, intervene in my case. Let my story change by your grace. Let my night turn into morning. Let my tears turn into joy. Let my waiting turn into testimony. Oh Lord, intervene in my case. Father, you are the God who sees what others cannot see. You are the God who knows the end from the beginning. You are the God who understands the pain I cannot explain. You are the God who hears the cry of the brokenhearted. I bring before you every unanswered prayer. I bring before you every delayed blessing. I bring before you every fear that has tried to trouble my heart. I bring before you every burden I have carried alone. Take over, Lord, take over the situation I cannot control. Take over the battle I cannot fight by myself. Take over the matter that has brought me to tears. Take over the places where I feel powerless. Let your wisdom guide me. Let your favor surround me. Let your strength sustain me. Let your presence comfort me. I refuse to give up on your promises. I refuse to lose hope in your word. I refuse to believe that this season will end in sorrow. For you are able to turn my situation around. Oh Lord, intervene in my case. Stretch forth your hand and make a way for me. Where doors have been closed, open them by your mercy. Where hope has been delayed, restore it by your power. Where my heart has been burdened, give me peace. Where my soul has been weary, give me strength. Oh Lord, intervene in my case. Let my story change by your grace. Let my night turn into morning. Let my tears turn into joy. Let my waiting turn into testimony. Oh Lord, intervene in my case. Lord, I remember the times you carried me through difficult seasons. I remember the moments when you made a way where there was no way. I remember the prayers you answered unexpectedly. I remember the peace you gave me when my heart was troubled. I remember the strength you gave me when I felt weak. You have been faithful before, and you will be faithful again. You have provided before, and you will provide again. You will have before, and you will heal again. You have restored before, and you will restore again. Because of who you are, I will not allow fear to rule my heart. I came in war with a trembling hand, in a heart that's been waiting for your answer. The room got still when I called your name, and every broken piece began to listen. I know you see me, I know you hear me, right where I'm kneeling, right where I'm weak. I'm holding on to just one promise: you never leave where you start undone. Oh Lord, intervene. Oh Lord, intervene. Step in. Oh Lord, intervene in my case. When my strength runs out, you remain the same. Oh Lord, intervene in my case. There's fear in the dark, but it won't stay, 'cause I've seen mercy find me before. I lift these tears like a quiet prayer and lay them down at your mercy door. I know you see me, I know you hear me, right where I'm kneeling, right where I'm weak. I'm holding on to just one promise: you never leave but you start undone. Oh Lord, intervene. Oh Lord, intervene. Step in now. Oh Lord, intervene in my case. When my strength runs out,